Becoming a millionaire might seem like a faraway goal, but with the right mindset and smart investments, it's possible, okay? The key is knowing where to put your money and being patient. So I'm here to show you some investment options that can really help you to build wealth over time. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are the 5 best investments to consider on your journey to becoming a millionaire. The first one is the stock market investing. Long-term investments in stocks can yield huge returns because of compound interest, all right? Number 2 is real estate. I like number 1 better, but I have friends in real estate, they're doing very well. Investing in real estate can give you both rental income and appreciation. Number 3, start a business. Entrepreneurship has made many millionaires, so if you have a great idea, it could be your key to financial freedom. Number 4 is cryptocurrency. While it's riskier, some have made millions by investing early into digital currencies like Bitcoin. Number 5 is index funds. So these low-cost funds allow you to invest in a wide range of companies and are known for their stable growth over time. So if you start investing wisely today and stay consistent, becoming a millionaire is within reach. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.